your Roblox age settings are locked forever. Most users don't know there's a way to update them, but one wrong move can lock you out completely. Watch until the end so you don't make that mistake. By the time this video is over, you'll know exactly how to change your age settings safely and correctly. Open the Roblox app or website. On the website, click the gear icon in the top right. On the app, tap the three dots for more. Either way, you're heading to settings. Don't skip the next step. From the settings menu, select account info. This is where your profile details live. Keep watching. The next section is where most people get confused. Scroll down to the personal section. You'll see your current age group and birthday. Here's the important part. To change your age group, click Reset next to the age check. To change your specific birthday, click the pencil icon next to your birth date. Choose the right one. Mixing these up is a common mistake. Follow the prompts to verify your new information. You'll have two options. Scan your face using your webcam or phone camera for an age estimate, or upload a clear photo of a government ID like a passport to confirm a birthday change. Use good lighting and a steady camera to avoid verification delays. That's it. You're all set. If this helped, hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next video where I'll show you how to keep your account secure after updating your info.